Welcome back to Brotuned, everyone. Winter is coming to an end. It's getting warmer out. I think we're about +2, +3 out right now. Nice bright sun. And we're gonna shoot the CZ457 LRP with the factory barrel at 50 yards using RWS Rifle Match. So unfortunately, I only found one last box of this stuff and it only had 30 rounds in it. So we're only gonna do 10 rounds on the center to get our 0 and foul in, even though the target says to do 20. And then we'll do our 4 or 5 shot groups. I'm gonna record the data with the magneto speed here, and I'll put that up at the end of the video. Conditions are pretty nice. It's melting, it's nice and warm. Not freezing my butt off anymore making these videos, but it's fun either way. So let's get to shooting. So we're gonna do 10 shots on center. We'll set up our 0 that way. I have to ditch the glasses again, even though I hate shooting with glasses. And it's so bright. Okay, here we go. There we have our 10 foulers. Now let's get straight into the groups. Group number 1, top left. Wow, it's not starting out very good. Yikes, that's not a very nice looking target. I remember this stuff shooting a lot better before. Well, let's see what next group has to offer. Group number 2, top right. Starting to come together, maybe. Not as good as the target rifle by the looks of it so far. Well, let's see what we can do with the rest. Next group, bottom right. I don't know. It's not jiving this time. We had better luck with the IBI, I think. I think the IBI barrel is more consistent with more ammo. This it's really picky, this barrel, it seems like. The IBI you can kind of get away with a little bit more. Well, last group, bottom left target for 5. Here we go. We lost one on that group. Other than that, it looked pretty good. So yeah, I don't know. It's all right. Definitely not the greatest. The 10-shot group looked almost better than the other groups, but it is what it is. That's what we do for testing. I'll put the date up now. Just want to say thanks for coming out and watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. It's pretty fun shooting 22s, so that's what we're doing now. Take care, guys. See you next time.